Today's lesson will be on chapter 4, mass, weight, density. Okay, we will focus particularly on mass, or what we know as inertia, a component of mass. Okay, mass, when you look at this question, the questions that we hear is that most students, the approach for most students will be looking at it from the weight perspective, because the common thing about moon and earth is we talk about the gravity on earth and the gravity on moon. Okay, so we know that one is bigger, and as a result we will compare the weight of the object on earth versus the weight of object on moon. Okay, but for this question is not really targeting at weight. Okay, how do we know? It's because of the phrasing. Okay, the questions focus on the instance whereby the object starts to move. Okay, in your syllabus for O level is that the topic or the context that deal with motion change. Okay, the instant whereby I change from stop to start, or stop or start, or stop to start, start to stop. Okay, that particular topic is known as inertia. Okay, and when we talk about inertia, we look at how fast, how slow, and the keywords that we're referring to is the word inertia, reluctancy, sorry. Okay, so in your keywords you need to mention the word reluctancy, and you need to mention what motion are you changing. Okay, what motion are you changing, whether it's from start to stop, or is it from stop to start. Okay, now for this question we are looking at how easily or how different it is to change the motion. Okay, and this has everything to do with weight, your mass. Okay, so weight is not in the picture now, so which means that option B is out because it deals with weights, option D is out, it deals with weight. Okay, so only option A and C is here. Okay, the lesser the mass, the more easily it is. This statement is true. Okay, less mass, okay, object can change the state of motion more easily. Okay, there's less reluctancy. Okay, but based on the question says that the can of sand, okay, the mass actually remains the same. So which means option A is out. Okay, so which means that because on Earth and on Moon, the mass of the can remains the same, so the reluctancy of change in motion is actually the same. So what we call the same is. So the option for this will be C. Okay, so here please take note of what we mean by inertia. It's a very small topic in O level. Okay, but please take note of certain keywords. Okay, when we talk about reluctancy, okay, we talk about state of change of motion, and particularly what motion are we talking about. Okay, so please take note of this. And of course, all this actually arises because of the mass. Okay, so one thing for students to take note is, when do we use inertia? Okay, usually the questions targets at the split instance whereby the motions changes either from start to stop or stop to start. Okay, so that it will be the cue. Okay, hope this